I slept 2 hours last night. I'm dead. How are you? We were out. This is what happens if I need.
Okay, hey guys, it's hot. These people got me out here at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm a little irritated about that, but I don't know, it's a fun meet. It's a whole bunch of BMWs. You want to show them? The first BMW car that got me. Growing on me. You don't have to look at me. I can just talk.
They wanna.
The M2s are growing on me. Not that color though. That color is ugly.
It's red. That's red.
That's orange. This is red.
That's the thing. Okay.
It's not the same.
Okay.
You're colorblind?
Me? Huh? Say it again. They say like E46.
Oh yeah. Those are cute. And Dina's car.
I'm late, so I got breakfast. McDonald's.
How are you?
Tired.
Me too.
I'm good. At least you went to sleep.
For like 3 hours. What do you
Downstar bolts. You gotta find out they have pink.
I'm looking for the bolts. I don't see bolts. I don't see bolts. Oh.
Downstar bolts. You gotta see if they have like a hot pink or something, or the pink that's gonna be on your accents for the wrap.
I don't know if I can.
I don't know if I can. Spin it.
I don't know. Why is everyone saying to spin it? What's wrong with it? I wonder if I can. How do I do it again?
Put in first gear like you gotta do it once and gas and brakes. But you gotta be able to control it. Cause remember the car's gonna start turning.
Oh no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Fuck no, not here.
Yeah.
And I don't think they want us to do it here either. Yes. Is that okay?
Yeah, it was. I wanted to do it. I'm doing interviews right now with a few people, so I don't know if you wanted to be in one, just to get your perspective on the event.
God, I'm nervous.
I mean, you do a lot of videos.
Yeah, but they're just like regular ones.
You're doing videos right now. What's up, y'all? You're doing videos right now. Come on, it's after hours. You gotta do an interview.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a quick 10-second interview. You don't have to say much. Just give us your opinions on the event.
Okay.
And what you got coming for yourself too.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Let me pull up somewhere.
You can leave your car right here.
Oh wow, right here. Okay, got it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Javi here and Gabe from After Hours here with Sasha. Sasha, tell us about. Hey, what car was it, Mo?
The event was great. It was a huge turnout, and you guys started on time. So I appreciate that. Yeah, and you guys have really music. It was great.
So we have everything we needed.
Everything we needed. And it's Sushi_Chevy.
Make sure y'all follow her, alright?
Follow, guys. Beamer Life. Thank you, Sasha.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll talk soon.
Okay.
All right. Now we gotta get you out of here. Now
I can go.
3, and then you don't shift early. You gotta let it rev out at 30.
Oh wait, so what?
So
It does it on its own though.
even when you're in the manual,
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna be
yeah.
manual. I don't want to shift.
you have to be in manual until you rev out the first gear. So in third, just rev out, right? Like you have to shift to fourth gear, then let it do it by itself. So if you're doing a 40, second gear. If you're doing a 60, third gear. See, 40 is in second gear. That was better. That was better.
Faster than me.
Yeah, he's faster now, but I'm just saying that was a better reaction now. And you're not a road racer. So
Oh yeah. I still want to go from a dig. I need to tell him that. Need to race from a dig. Yeah. What do you mean? I don't know how to do those.
shift out, second gear. Well, you honk it, yo! You honk it! That was better. That was better.
But he's tuned.
Yeah,
And
he's
I'm not.
tuned. But that was good from stock versus the tuned car.